You're not recording.
Welcome to the totally off-topic talk show. I'm Blizzard, and I'm Chocolate. And I'm Oh yeah, I forgot. Thanks. Oh, Cho. Okay, today we'll be having Bobby Valentino perform a verse from his song, Mrs. Officer. Come on up, Big Bang.
I heard that, man.
He's terribly sorry. Oh, okay, come on up. Sing it.
Hurricane, hurricane, hurricane.
Hi. Hi. I just my hands look like this.
Hi. Why is he laughing?
Hi.
I'm gonna sing a song
Call Mrs. Officer.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be lovely, splendid, my mom.
Sing it already.
Lovely, lovely. You're my biggest fan. What about a hug?
Dude, no.
Come on, give me one.
Do the song.
Oh.
Do the song. Do the song.
Okay, our song.
When I get up on ya, and we can hear the angels calling us, and we can see the sunrise before us. I make the bike, when I'm in the thing, I make the bike sing, I make it say, wee, 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 cock, 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 wee, 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 wee,
Cock, cock, cock.
Woo, that was lovely, splendid. Yes, yes, lovely, lovely, lovely.
Don't have a seizure when you make me have one. Oh no, I'm seizuring. Ah! Ah!
You people is
Okay.
crazy.
Yes,
I'm getting out of here.
Go! I'm talking in my regular voice. Oh no. Get kicked back in.
Go! What? You said we're crazy?
I know, you are.
Go! I love you though. Strange. Yeah.
What's happening?
Oh, Evan, that hurt. Evan,
I'm out. Bye.